Zodwa is questioned about a murder weapon. Hello everyone, welcome back to Study Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the 6th to the 10th of December 2021 on Monday. Sibonga put his foot in his mouth in the worst way. Zodwa makes a hard decision for her children on Tuesday. Mazette struggled to deal with being in a wheelchair. Zodwa, Teddy and Sibongile prepare for a burial. Sibonga insists that Chioma must not help Mazette on Wednesday. Sibongile let Zodwa feels bad about a missing body. Those who love Mazette won't give up on her even when she has on Thursday. Phumlani makes a move on Tati. Zodwa is questioned about a murder weapon on Friday. Phumlani stalked Tati from a distance. Teddy gives Bongile a firm warning about her dangerous fleeing. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.